What's going on, everyone? This is 7th of February, and just want to break down this beautiful gold trade we have taken today from 27.59 to 27.60, and it is now running 150 pips. Initially, I had this SL, like I just wanted to keep it below this week, which is 28.51. But once we got this confirmation above break of this low, which I have highlighted here, I reduced my SL to 27.54, and I'm very hopeful that now we will see this high getting a break. 28.82. We have already booked around 100 and 120 pips around 28.70. And like if you can see the Telegram channel, you will see the logic behind this trade. This was the exact thing I have posted. Okay, what was my analysis before the NFP? If you can see the Telegram channel, just look at the Telegram channel. And once the data, sorry, even before the data gets released, I mark the swing point. Okay, this is the swing point. What does the swing point mean? Okay, swing point means a high, a candle which is having two candles, one at the left, one at the right, and the middle one is at the higher point. Okay, so this is the swing point, 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 this is also a swing point. Here it is also a swing point. Since we are particularly trading in NFP, we are looking into the 15 minutes time frame because we are trading into the NFP again. This was also a swing point. And just before NFP got released, I just don't want to open my Telegram due to confidentiality reason, and I'm new into YouTube. So I don't know actually how to blur the things on Telegram when I'm opening my Telegram, so I'm not gonna go into that. I just want to give my logic here why we have taken a buy trade here. Okay, the order pairing thing I'm mentioning from a longer time here. And what we did, before even the NFP got released, I mentioned this trade idea that once the data get released, because we have lots of swing point to the upside, 1 2 3 4 5. So my anticipation was we will clear all those swing point, because those who are trying to short from this swing point and having this stop loss above this swing point will get kicked out from the market. And also most of uh, the buyers who are having the SL below this level will also get stopped out. So this is what the market does, and this is what market has done. After the data got released, I just waited for smaller time frame confirmation, and I will show you what happened. Okay, so I'm just going to switch it into the 1 hourly time frame, and this is what exactly happened. Initially it got a move to the upside. Okay, and this was the high which was taken. This liquidity was taken, and then it moved to the downside, and this low got taken out. Okay, this was a swing point in 15 minutes time frame. This swing low was taken out, and then we moved up with the willingness to go to the upside. Okay, how do we identify that it is willingness to go to the upside? You can see here. Okay, this is one two three candles. If you can see, these candles are printing with the displacement. Okay, you can see a gap here. So this is where we see that the price has willingness to go to the upside. And I do not consider this week to the upside, because it was a data induced move. So we got a clean shift, market structure shift, once we closed above this area. And then I marked my Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing high, this swing low to this swing high, and just below 50% this level I wanted to take an entry to the buy side. And we could have never get any better zone than longing here. Okay, and this is where exactly we planned our buy trade. And rest, you know what is happening. Okay, this was the range pairing. Okay, this was the low in the 15 minutes time frame, which got broken. We got the entry here, and now it's moving all the way to the upside. It's already 200 pips move up. I have a 2900 target, but we have already taken half, and rest of the entry I will be rest of the runners I will book around here. Okay, I do not want to be greedy here. And also we have taken a loss today. We shorted around here because I thought this range from this swing high to this swing low, once we got the rejection with this displacement, this is where we shorted. Okay, price moved up and left with this week. This is where we shorted. Actually it moved down, but then it has stopped us out. Okay, and it was 50 pips loss for me. but I was very certain about this thing that we may definitely cover it, and this is what we have done here. Many of our clients made a really good profit, and this is not a random trade. Okay, we were not just randomly doing that. I mentioned the trade idea with these swing points, with my plans that it will initially go to the downside, then it will move continue to the upside. Okay, remember one thing, whichever side we have most number of swing points, the price always goes there. Okay, that's how you determine your bias, that's how you determine your trades. Okay, so if you really want this, all things I do not post on X, so that's why I always mention one thing, that always follow on Telegram. There I give in-depth analysis on what can happen. Okay, so this is what happens, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, any queries, because I'm sure, I can't spoon feed you guys. Okay, you will have to look the things by your own eyes. Sometimes the idea was already given beforehand, before the data. This is what best I can do. Okay, thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you, and have a nice day.